Watch these dance moves. Frick. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. So, oh yeah, we're going to talk about improper fractions and how to turn them. Talk about something that I talked about a little bit in a previous video, where I basically showed how to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number. And I'm going to show you exactly how you do that and give you some intuition about it. So if I were to give you an improper fraction, which is just a fraction that represents more than what you have. So if let's say I have 7 out of 4. Now, obviously, if I were to draw a circle, and split up into 4 pieces, because that's how much we have, and then color in all 4. This is an improper fraction, right? I don't have enough. I don't have 7, so I would have to draw another circle and go split this into 4 pieces, and then go, and then I would have circled in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, I was showing you that this was another way to draw an improper fraction. This is. So, in this case, I have one circle, one full circle, and 3 out of 4 pieces of a circle colored in. And that's another way to draw this. And that's how you would turn an improper, and this is how essentially you would turn an improper fraction into a mixed number. Whenever you have an improper fraction like this, we can see how much of something is in something. How we have an improper fraction like this, where the numerator is greater than the denominator. What you would do is that you would divide the numerator by the denominator. You divide the numerator by the denominator. So how many times can 4 go into 7? You can only go into it once. And then what is the remainder? Well, 7 minus 4 is 3. And then you just put 1, and then that 3, that remainder, and then put the 4 as the denominator. And that's how you would turn an improper fraction into a mixed number. So to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number, you would divide the numerator. So if I have an improper fraction like this, 8 over 5, divide the numerator, which is the top number, by the denominator. So 8 divided by 5. How many times can 5 go into 8? Just once. And then what is the remainder? How many are left? Well, 8 minus 5 is 3. So then it would be 3 out of 5. We would keep the denominator the same. So 8 over 5 is also equal to 1 and 3 fifths. Oops, 3 fifths. 1 and 3 fifths. And I can show that by if I were to grab a group of 5 balls. Oh, here, you know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm supposed to color them in. And then I colored all of them in, but I'm supposed to have 8 out of 5 colored in. Well, I already colored in one group. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then colored in 3 more to get 8. So it would have been, and this would have been 3 out of 5. So this is how you turn it into a mixed number. Improper fraction into a mixed number. You divide the numerator by the denominator, and then you put the remainder as the numerator, and then keep the denominator the same. That's how you turn improper fraction into a mixed number. Hopefully that gave you a little bit of intuition. I will do examples of how to do it, do some examples in another video. Good job, stay in school.